Hello everyone, I am Siddhi and you are watching Siddhi's Kitchen YouTube channel. So today I am here with Aloo Matar recipe. So let's see the ingredients. For that I have taken around 5 medium sized potatoes. I have diced them into 1 centimeter cubes. Around 5 medium sized tomatoes. I have chopped them into big pieces. Around 7 to 8 garlic cloves, 1.5 inch of ginger and 1 green chilli. So let's make puree. For making puree, add all these ingredients in the mixie and grind them into fine paste. So let's start with the recipe. Heat a pan and add around 2 tablespoons of ghee. Also add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. After it is heated, add 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds and a bit of Asafoetida, mix it well. When cumin seed starts fluttering, add 2 medium-sized onion finely chopped, and fry them till they turn golden brown. When onion turns golden brown, add the ground tomato puree to it. Mix it well and cook it until it gets thick. After it gets thickened, add potato cubes to it. And also Matar. Mix them well. After mixing them well, fry them for some time. After that, add 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of jeera powder, 2 teaspoons of red chilli powder, and half teaspoon of turmeric powder to it. Mix it well and fry it on low flame for around 2 minutes. After frying for around 2 minutes, Add whole green chilies to it. Mix it well. Add salt to taste. Saute well. After sauteing for a while, add 1 cup of hot water to it. Stir well. Close the lid and cook it around 12 minutes. After cooking around 12 minutes, just check the gravy. The gravy is almost done. The potatoes and matar are also cooked. Now it's time to add Kasuri Methi. I am adding around 1 teaspoon of Kasuri Methi and 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala to it, mixing it well. Also add coriander leaves at this time. Close the lid and cook it around 5 minutes more. After 5 minutes, add around half teaspoon of butter. You can also add fresh cream. Mix it well. And our aloo matar is ready. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.